Traveling with toddlers on long flights just got so much easier with this inflatable airplane bed for toddler. What I love most is that it's super quick to set up, no pump needed. Thanks to the innovative valves, you just blow it up by mouth in seconds, and when it's time to pack up, you can instantly deflate it with the press of a button, and it's strapped securely to the airplane seat so your child can rest safely and comfortably, and the soft flocked material feels cozy enough for real sleep. They even included an inflatable neck support, which makes it even more comfortable for little ones to nap. I also appreciate the safety belt that keeps kids secure, plus the repair kit in case of any accidents. Overall, this toddler airplane bed is a total game changer for stress free family travel. If you are planning a long flight with kids, this is definitely worth it. It's, as you can see, it's super easy to blow up, and it's super easy to deflate. So yes, I highly recommend this.